Hey 101 100 students, I just wanted to take a few minutes to give you a brief overview of the course. So you're in 101 100, which means you're actually in two classes, English 101 with the English 100 writing workshop. So that means that at the end of the term, you'll receive a grade for 101 and a grade for 100. So generally, or most of the time, traditionally, we would have two Blackboard course shells that you would go into. One for 101, where you would do all your 101 work, and one for 100. I find that's a little confusing, both for me as the instructor and for you guys as students, because the work is so interrelated. So what I've done is I am not going to open your English 100 course. You'll see that on your Blackboard page, but it will not be available to you. Instead, what you will have will be the English 101. And even though it's labeled 101, you will know that I have put your 100 work in this course as well. So you only access the one shell, or the one course shell, but you have within that shell the work for both 101 and for 100. You'll also notice in the My Grades that you have a grade for 101 and a grade for 100, and then there's an average grade. The 101 and 100 grades will not be correct until you have completed all of the work. So probably until right around the causal argument, that grade will not be a good grade because it's taking into account zeros for all the work that you haven't completed. However, the average grade will give you kind of where you are on the work. Of course, you can look at the syllabus, and there's the grade guide there where you can put your grade down for each assignment, and then you can go ahead at any time and figure out what your grade is for the course. So just really quick, that's all I wanted to say in this video, was just to let you know that even though you're only accessing this one course shell, that there is work in here for both English 101 and English 100. So best of luck. Call me, message me. If you have questions or need clarification, I am more than happy to do that. So I'm here for you, and let's have a good semester.